Welcome to Maui, where stunning natural beauty meets rich cultural heritage. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Maui offers an unforgettable experience. Maui's history is a tapestry woven with tales of ancient Polynesian settlers, European explorers. This island played a pivotal role in the unification of the Hawaiian Islands under King Kamehameha. Today, it's a sanctuary where past and present intertwine to tell an extraordinary story. Maui experiences warm and tropical weather year-round. Winter temperatures range from 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and cooler nights dip to around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for beach outings and outdoor activities. While it's the rainy season in Hawaii, most showers are brief and localized, often followed by sunshine. Maui boasts a plethora of attractions and activities. Our journey begins on the famous road to Hāna, a breathtaking drive through lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and dramatic coastal cliffs. With over 600 curves and 50 narrow bridges, it's not just a trip, it's an adventure. Along the way, you'll discover hidden gems like the Twin Falls, the mesmerizing black sand beach at Waianapanapa State Park, and countless overlooks offering panoramic views. Next, we rise above the clouds at Haleakalā National Park. Standing at over 10,000 feet, Haleakalā is a dormant volcano offering some of the most spectacular sunrises and sunsets you'll ever witness. Whether you're stargazing under a blanket of twinkling lights or exploring its otherworldly hiking trails, this park is a must-see for nature lovers. Calling all underwater explorers. Molokini Crater, a crescent-shaped volcanic atoll, is a snorkeler's dream. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with vibrant coral reefs and exotic marine life, from schools of tropical fish to graceful sea turtles. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience you can't miss. Venture into the heart of Maui's natural beauty at ʻīao Valley State Monument. This sacred valley is home to the iconic ʻīao Needle, a 1,200-foot volcanic spire rising above the tropical landscape. The valley's rich history and tranquil trails make it a perfect stop for a peaceful escape. Step back in time in Lāhainā, a historic town that was once the capital of the Hawaiian kingdom. From the sprawling banyan tree in the town square to the charming shops and waterfront eateries, Lāhainā is brimming with character and cultural significance. For accommodations, Maui offers a range of resorts catering to various budgets. I have included a few beachfront hotel recommendations based on traveler rankings below this video. I highly recommend doing your research online for the best accommodation options to address your specific vacation needs and budget. There are many great resources to help with your search, including Expedia, TripAdvisor, and Booking.com to name a few. Estimated costs for a 7-day stay during winter, including accommodation and resort fees, food and drinks for 2 people, and the costs of additional activities on the island, are included in the description below this video. Flight costs are additional and may vary depending on your location, airline, direct or connecting flights, etc. Maui, with its blend of natural wonders, cultural richness, and luxurious accommodations, promises an unforgettable Hawaiian getaway. Start planning your dream vacation today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more travel guides and tips. Share your Maui experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.